Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the text size on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. It's helpful to be able to change the text size on your Apple Watch, as some people can find the text too small to see easily. It's quick and easy to do, just follow the steps to learn how to do it. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and tap Display and Brightness. Then select Text Size. You can use the digital crown or your finger to increase and decrease the text size. You can also access the text size settings from the Control Center. To do this, tap the side button to open the Control Center. Scroll down and tap the AA button. From here, you can use the digital crown or your finger to change the watch's text size. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.